Looking for the best 3D printer to bring your ideas to life? Whether you're a hobbyist, professional, or just getting started, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best 3D printers, comparing their features, performance, and value to help you make the right choice. Ready to create something amazing? For more details on each printer, check out the link in the description. Let's dive in. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Looking to dive into the world of high-quality resin 3D printing without breaking the bank? The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. Featuring a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen, this printer delivers sharp, detailed prints with exceptional precision. Whether you're crafting intricate miniatures, prototypes, or artistic designs, the 496x2 560 resolution ensures crisp edges and smooth surfaces. With its larger print volume of 143x89 x 165mm, you can take on more ambitious projects compared to its predecessors. The upgraded light turbo matrix enhances light uniformity, reducing layer lines and ensuring more consistent results. Plus, the laser-engraved build plate provides superior adhesion, minimizing print failures and making post-processing easier. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is also designed for user convenience. The improved UV light source offers better exposure control, while the anti-scratch LCD screen protector extends the screen's lifespan. Setup is quick and simple, making it a great option even for first-time resin printer users. And the best part? This powerful resin printer is available for just $199, making it one of the most affordable 4K resin printers on the market today. If you're looking for a budget-friendly printer with professional-grade results, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a fantastic pick. Number 4. Elegoo Mars 3. Looking for a high-resolution resin 3D printer that delivers incredible detail without a premium price tag? Meet the Elegoo Mars 3. A powerful 4K LCD resin printer that takes precision and performance to the next level. Equipped with a 6.6-inch 4K monochrome screen, the Mars 3 boasts an impressive 496x2 560 resolution, allowing you to print ultra-fine details with smooth surfaces and sharp edges. With a larger print volume of 143 multiplied by 89 x 175mm, this printer gives you more space to create highly detailed models, whether you're printing miniatures, prototypes, or intricate artistic pieces. The refined cob light source improves light uniformity, ensuring consistent and accurate prints every time. Plus, the enhanced heat dissipation system extends the lifespan of the printer, making it a durable and reliable choice. The laser-engraved build plate provides excellent adhesion, reducing the chances of print failures. Meanwhile, the Chitubox slicing software offers a smooth user experience with advanced support generation and optimized printing settings. Setup is simple, making the Elegoo Mars 3 a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced users. And the best part? This high-performance resin printer is available for just $209, offering exceptional value for its price. If you're looking for an affordable yet professional-grade resin 3D printer, the Elegoo Mars 3 is a solid investment. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Se. The Creality Ender 3v3 Se is a feature-packed 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced makers. With its automatic bed leveling and strain sensor-assisted Z-offset, this printer takes the hassle out of calibration, ensuring precise first layers every time. No more manual adjustments, just start printing with confidence. Powered by a high-speed direct drive extruder, the Ender 3v3 Se handles various filaments with ease, from PLA and PETG to TPU, making it perfect for flexible and high-detail prints. With a 220x220 x 250mm build volume, it offers plenty of space to bring your ideas to life. Speed is a major highlight of this model. The Ender 3v3 Se can print at up to 250mm/s, significantly reducing waiting times without sacrificing print quality. Combined with its dual Z-axis design, this ensures smoother, more stable prints, even for taller models. User-friendliness is another strong point. The new UI interface makes navigation simple, while the magnetic PEI build plate allows easy print removal, preventing damage to your creations. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or small business owner, the Creality Ender 3v3 set delivers fast, reliable, and high-quality prints at an affordable price. With its smart features and solid build, this printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into hassle-free 3D printing. Number 2. Prusa MK4S. The Prusa MK4S is a cutting-edge 3D printer built for makers who demand top-tier quality, reliability, and ease of use. As the latest evolution of Prusa's iconic MK series, this printer delivers a seamless printing experience with advanced features that cater to both beginners and professionals. Equipped with a 32-bit control board and next-generation Trinamic stepper drivers, the MK4S offers whisper-quiet operation and unparalleled precision. The automatic mesh bed leveling ensures perfect first layers, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Plus, the new high-flow Photon allows for faster printing speeds while maintaining incredible detail. One of the biggest highlights of the MK4S is its improved direct drive extruder, which enhances filament handling, making it ideal for materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, and flexible TPU. Combined with the removable PI-coated spring steel build plate, print adhesion is flawless, and removing finished models is effortless. The Prusa also features an upgraded power recovery system, so you won't lose a print due to power outages. Additionally, the intuitive Prusa Connect system enables remote monitoring and control, keeping your prints running smoothly from anywhere. With industry-leading print quality, smart automation, and a rock-solid build, the Prusa is a game-changer in 3D printing. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, this printer delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Number 1. Bambu Lab X1. Looking for a high-speed, high-precision 3D printer that pushes the limits of creativity? The Bambu Lab X1 is a game-changer, delivering incredible print quality, blazing fast speeds, and multicolor printing in a single package. Designed for professionals and serious makers, this Corexi 3D printer features a fully unclosed build chamber, ensuring consistent temperature control for flawless prints every time. With its high-speed printing capability of up to 500mm/s, the X1 is significantly faster than most traditional 3D printers. The active vibration compensation (AVC) technology reduces ringing and ghosting, giving you smooth and detailed prints even at high speeds. The automatic bed leveling system ensures a perfect first layer every time, while the built-in AI-powered LiDAR sensor continuously monitors prints for maximum precision. One of the standout features of the Bambu Lab X1 is its multi-material system, AMS, allowing you to print in up to 16 colors seamlessly. Whether you're creating detailed prototypes, vibrant models, or functional parts, this feature unlocks limitless possibilities. Plus, the unclosed design with an air filtration system makes it safer for indoor use. And the best part? The Bambu Lab X1 is available for around $1,449, making it one of the most advanced yet accessible high-speed 3D printers on the market. If you're looking for cutting-edge innovation and top-tier performance, the Bambu Lab X1 is the ultimate choice.